Albert isn't the only app giving cash advances without a credit check. In 2026, there are at least 6 strong alternatives, and some move money faster or have simpler approval systems depending on your paycheck setup. By the end of this, you'll know which apps work most like Albert and which one fits your situation best. Here is the quick answer. If you like Albert, because it mixes cash advances with budgeting, the closest alternatives are Dave, Bridget, and MoneyLion. Start with Dave. Dave gives small advances based on linked bank activity and deposit history. It also predicts upcoming bills and warns about low balances. That makes it feel close to Albert because it's not just borrowing. It's also tracking your money. Next is Bridget. Bridget watches your account balance and spending habits. If it sees you're heading toward an overdraft, it can offer an advance. The main difference is automation. Albert focuses more on budgeting. Bridget focuses more on cash flow protection. Third is MoneyLion. MoneyLion combines advances, banking, investing and credit tools in one place. If you want Albert but with more financial products built in, this is one of the closest matches. The app feels more like a full finance dashboard. Now for the faster paycheck-focused options. Earnin works by tracking your work hours and letting you pull from wages you already earned. It's one of the cleanest systems because it connects directly to your job instead of estimating based on spending. Empower is another strong option. Empower links to your bank, looks at deposit consistency, and can offer advances fast. It also includes budgeting and automatic savings tools, which makes it another Albert-style replacement. Last is Clio. Clio uses an AI-based budgeting assistant and offers cash advances based on account behavior. The difference here is the experience. It feels less formal and more chat-based, but the core function is similar. So how do you choose? If you want simple cash advances, Dave or Earnin are usually easier to understand. If you want budgeting plus advances, Albert, Empower, and Clio are closer. If you want everything in one app, banking, investing, credit tracking, and advances, MoneyLion is the bigger system. Quick recap. Dave and Bridget are strongest for cash flow, Earnin works best for steady workers, and MoneyLion or Empower are better if you want full financial tools. Your next step is easy. Compare how you get paid, hourly, salary, gig work, or irregular deposits, and match that to the app. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more breakdowns like this.